Hey guys, it's Trippy, welcome to the video. Hopefully the quality of this is watchable. Unfortunately my camera has actually let me down. I use the GoPro Hero 8 for filming stuff on foot. Obviously I've got the drone for flying around, but I've been thinking for a long time now about changing the camera, and I think today has finally sort of pushed me in the direction to change it. Long story short, I went out to Portreath to try and film some of Storm Arwen while it wasn't raining, just to catch like the massive waves and the wind. And anytime it's a little bit wet or cold, the inside of the camera tends to fog up a little bit, as you'll see, and from what I've previewed of it so far, it does look like it's ruined some of the shots, so I use what I can. But I was really disappointed, just because it's not very often the storm comes around, and it's quite like epic scenery, especially at the beaches when you see these massive waves coming towards you. I also tried to use the drone. I took it with me. I kind of underestimated the wind. The drone was having quite a hard time of it, and while it was off I was carrying it back to the car, and the wind was so strong that it span up to the propellers, like the blades, and actually cut 2 of my fingers in about 4 different places. So I won't show you the picture, but yeah, it was quite painful. It stings quite a bit now, but yeah, lesson learned, I guess. Don't have the propellers out when it's windy. But with all that said, I hope you guys do enjoy the video, despite the fogged up camera. But as I said, hopefully that will be the last time it happens, because well, Christmas is right around the corner, and I might try and see if I can get myself a new camera for Christmas, but we'll see how we get on. But there are more videos coming. As I say, the Christmas lights are starting to be switched on now around Cornwall, so I want to sort of make some videos on those as well, and that'll be a big test as well for a new camera, to see how it handles nighttime filming, because I know the camera I've got at the minute is terrible for it. So yeah, I'm getting lots and lots of reasons why to upgrade the camera. So yeah, with all that said, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll catch you on the next one.